Hey Dino, this is Philip from Pacific Toyota. Just wanted to give you a quick video tour of this 2021 Landcruiser GXL 79 series. Currently retailing for $107,990, not $109,990, making it one of the most bang for a buck cars within car sales. Of the 90 cars, I think 84 cars that I saw there. Now, where we are located, we are Pacific Toyota. Across the road you can see the new Toyota showroom. This is one of the 3 used car yard, and we have 300 cars in stocks and sell about 300 a month, so we replace them all the time. Now, looking from the left hand side of the car, I will point out any visible damages, wounds or scratches that I can see with my naked eye. From this angle, the tires have plenty of tread left. Got a genuine ARB Bullbar. Got electrical winch. A little bit of dirt here because it's been raining in Cairns. On top of the bonnet, I cannot see any visible damages with my naked eye. Okay, if you can see, there is some very minor stone chip. The headlights are clean. A little bit of scratch right here. Onto the passenger side, front tire and rims, and it has went through GVM upgrade, so have an upgraded suspension. Onto the passenger seat, I'll show you the service book from this angle. The seats are clean and tidy. The interior is clean as well. You can see here there are a few marks. Probably something has been left up here which was been rubbing against it. But beside that, I cannot see anything to show you. Okay. Onto the service book history. This vehicle has full service book history, so starting from the very beginning. Started on the 24th of 11,397, then at 20,000, then at 31,971, 39,148, 45,606, 61,000, 71,800 something, 818. 81,260, and then 92,110, and the next service isn't due till 120. So the vehicle has been looked after very, very well. Given it's a 2021 vehicle, the warranty has expired for Toyota. It's 5 years, but we can extend the warranty for 3 additional years. This is called Vehicle Protection Plan. It also comes with 1 year of roadside assistance. Onto here, you can see a tiny bit of scratches here and there. Alright, plenty of space in there. Onto the rear seats, you can see there is a toe ball which you can fit in. It comes with it. The seats are very clean and in immaculate condition, to be honest. You got the mat both at the front and the back. And if I move this seat, let me just get this off. Cool. I can show you. You can find the tools here, and some of the electrical wiring. This might be for towing and the accessory plugs. Yes. Okay. Can move this seat. Behind the seat, you can see just tiny little scratches. paint fading away, but overall, even the roof doesn't look that bad. This has been well looked after. You get a genuine Toyota tray back. Got a new spare tire here. Trailer wiring. Got a tow bar. Heyman and Reese tow bar underneath the car. It's really clean. You do have your water storage here. Under the rear tires, they're new too. This tire got plenty of tread left, so you get 2 sets of spare tires. To the rear from this angle, looks very clean. You can see there is a little bit of paint damage here. Somebody might have put their wrist here. The watch might hit it and the paint has faded away, but it's not very visible. You got your window controls here, and moving into the driver's seat. As I sit here, I will just start the car. You have a whole set of keys. You don't only get a pair, you get a central locking system. So if you move away, the car automatically locks itself. And powered window control. The switches there probably has been fitted for additional accessories like spotlights. So the wiring must be there somewhere. Just have to find it. Alright. Let's start up this car. Has done 110,560. Got your clock and a very nice infotainment system. Okay, you can connect your phone. Right, I do have a Redarc handbraking alarm for trailer. Diff locks. You got your mist control, idle up, and you have your charging ports here as well. Alright, I'll now open up the bonnet and turn up the car. Cool. So I noticed something here. You can see there was a piece here which has fallen off. I'll check with my manager if we can do anything about it. Let's check underneath the bonnet what the engine looks like. So heavy it's hard to lift with one hand, but I'll try my best. There you go. Very well looked after. The engine is clean and tidy. Got dual battery system. And looking on the underbody of the car, you can see it's clean and tidy as well. Few damages here and there. Of course it has done some mileage, 110, but for a Toyota it's nothing. These things can go up to 1 million. And there's one Toyota Prado which has done 999, is currently in auction. Alright. Overall a very nice car, has been well looked after, in great condition. Thank you for watching.